Guys, it's Jamie here with Minard's Leisure World, and today we are going to go through the 2023 Reflection 150 280 RS. So this is our half-ton towable line. Couples coach, you've got opposing slides and lots to see. So let's get started. Off at the front, we do have your turning point hitch. This is great for those short box trucks. It is half-ton towable. Now underneath, we've got your battery as well as your solar charger in there. There is a light, some extra room. The difference between Reflection and any other line is their insulation values, and you can see that very clearly with their storage doors. They are slam latch, nice and thick. This is your pass-through. It's completely unobstructed. You have your battery disconnect in there, and then we're gonna pop over to the other side and I will show you all your connections. So right here is your convenience center. This is where all of your hookups are. You've got your outdoor shower, your cable hookup, you've got your water fills, your pulls, and you also have your auto level on this side. Now, we do have your Furrion hot water heater located right here as well. It's a quick recovery. Let's go back and check out the rest. See, this unit does have a nice big power lit awning. It's 13 feet. You've got the outdoor speakers. You do have your Lion's Head tires. This comes with a 1-year no question asked and 5-year warranty on tire and tread. Outside kitchen, this is a great perk to this couples coach. You have a little bit of storage here. Mini fridge, TV, as well as some plugins here. So you can have your coffee maker, ice maker, those types of things, whatever you need. And then moving on down to the back, we've got your ladder here. This is gonna take you up to your fully walkable roof for you to do your maintenance and check for any leaks or seals. It is equipped with your backup camera prep, your spray port here, as well as a hitch. So this hitch is rated for 3,000 pounds. You could tow a light boat. And moving on in, let's go take a peek. Okay guys, coming on in to the 280 RS, we're gonna start off with your control panel. So this is a Compass Connect. You can download the app on your phone, scan in the barcode, and get access off your phone. This is where you're going to control your lights, check your tank levels, put out your awning, slides, all that good stuff. Nice big hutch here. You do have a light underneath, and I do want you to take a look at this brand new cabinet with 2023. They are beautiful, really high quality finishes, lots of cupboards here. And keep in mind, this is a half-ton towable fifth wheel. It's incredible, the amount of storage. Plug-ins here. You could set up a coffee bar or whatever else you may need. Lots of drawers. These are full extension ball bearing drawers. Some cupboards here. And then moving on down, this is your kitchen table. The really nice thing about this table is that you've got your 2 chairs and this ottoman that is also movable. So you can sit 4 comfortably here, or if you wanted to, you could pull this ottoman out, put it in front of one of your couches, and you can store board games, extra bedding, anything else you really need below it. We do have a nice set of windows here, roller blinds, completely blackout. And then moving on down, you've got your theater seating. So your theater seating does come equipped with lights, vibration, all that good stuff. They do recline. I'll show you here. Nice, and they do lean back. Really nice fabric too, easy to clean. Now at the back of the unit here, this is a really great option. You've got your pull-out bed here with stands on either side. They've got a little bit of storage here, as well as plug-ins beneath. So you could put up some lights if you want, charge some tablets, whatever you need. Nice big windows, so you can see what's going on behind you. Lots of storage. And then moving on down, you do have your entertainment area here. So nice big TV. I can't get over these finishes. They're beautiful. Fireplace. We've got some storage on either side. And then the island. In this unit, because you have the opposing slides, this space feels incredible. It does not feel like just under 31 feet long. It feels like you're in a 40-foot camper here. So nice big pull-out faucet here. Really deep sink with a dryer rack. You do have a 12-volt fridge. We do have a 165-watt solar panel on the roof. Nice big fridge, so I'll open that up for you to take a peek. You've got your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, Lots of storage on either side of this island. So you've got cupboards here and a bank of drawers. And look at how far those extend. Now, this main bathroom is hidden behind a sliding pocket door. You've got a foot flush toilet and a beautiful shower. Lots of hooks and hangers. Now in the master bedroom, you're gonna see how modern they've made this. The finishes, look at those light fixtures and the way that they finished off the head of the bed. Beautiful cabinets again, lots of storage, plug-ins on either side of the bed. You do have a USB port up there and a nice cupboard area. I'm gonna stop and show you what storage you've got going on under the bed. And as you can see, it's got the hydraulic lift, arm lift, so I'm not putting any effort into opening that up. It's got a nice big mattress on it. Now at the foot of the bed, as you can see, we've got this wardrobe. Lots of space in there and a bank of drawers. All right, guys, thank you for joining me on this quick little tour of the 2023 Reflection 150 series, so half-ton towable, 280 RS. A few things I want you to remember is this is a really nice couples couch unit with opposing slides and an island, outdoor kitchen, solar panel. For more information or to see all of our listings, please check out our website at www.minardsleisureworld.com, now serving you in Weyburn and Watrous.